Nampa, Idaho, is known for its picturesque landscapes, family-friendly neighborhoods, and homes that balance comfort and style. For homeowners looking to elevate their interiors, Bay Windows offer a perfect blend of functionality and beauty. Their timeless appeal and versatility make them a standout feature in Nampa homes. Here's a look at how Bay Windows play a key role in enhancing your home's interiors. Maximizing natural light. Bay windows are designed to bring in more natural light than traditional flat windows. Their unique structure, which typically includes 3 angled panels, allows sunlight to enter your home from multiple directions. For Nampa homeowners, this means brighter, more welcoming living spaces. Natural light not only enhances the ambiance but also helps reduce the need for artificial lighting during the day, creating a warm and energy-efficient environment. Creating a sense of openness. One of the standout benefits of Bay Windows is their ability to make interiors feel larger and more open. By projecting outward, they create additional space and depth in the room, giving the illusion of a bigger area. This feature is particularly valuable in Nampa homes with smaller rooms or cozy layouts, as it transforms compact spaces into airy, inviting areas. Showcasing scenic views. Nampa's natural beauty, from rolling hills to lush greenery, is a key reason why so many people love living here. Bay windows provide an unobstructed, panoramic view of your surroundings, acting as a living picture frame for the outdoors. Whether you're overlooking a backyard garden or enjoying a sunset over the valley, Bay windows allow you to bring Nampa's stunning scenery into your home. Enhancing interior design. Bay windows serve as a striking architectural feature that enhances the overall design of a room. Their classic yet versatile style complements a wide range of interior aesthetics, from traditional to modern. Nampa homeowners can customize bay windows with stylish drapes, plantation shutters, or minimalist shades to suit their personal taste. The ledge created by the window's extension also opens up opportunities for creative decorating, such as adding plants, books, or decorative cushions. Providing a cozy nook. One of the most beloved features of Bay windows is the opportunity to create a cozy nook. The extended space can be transformed into a comfortable seating area for reading, relaxing, or enjoying a cup of coffee. Imagine a sunny corner filled with plush cushions and throws, offering a quiet retreat from the hustle and bustle of daily life. For families in Nampa, this nook can also serve as a delightful spot for kids to play or complete homework. Increasing energy efficiency. Modern bay windows are built with energy efficiency in mind, making them a practical choice for Nampa's diverse climate. High-quality bay windows often feature insulated glass, low-E coatings, and durable frames that help regulate indoor temperatures. These features reduce heat transfer, keeping your home warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer. By minimizing energy loss, bay windows can also lower utility bills while maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. Adding functional space. The extra space created by bay windows is more than just a design feature, it's a practical addition to your home. The extended ledge can be used for seating, storage, or decorative displays, maximizing the functionality of your interiors. For Nampa homeowners who value both style and practicality, bay windows are an ideal solution. Boosting home value. Adding bay windows to your Nampa home is not just an aesthetic upgrade, it's an investment that can increase property value. Real estate experts often highlight bay windows as a desirable feature that appeals to potential buyers. Their combination of natural light, scenic views, and added space makes them a standout addition that sets your home apart in the market. Timeless appeal. Bay windows have been a popular architectural element for centuries, and their timeless design ensures they never go out of style. For Nampa homeowners looking for a feature that blends tradition with modern functionality, bay windows are a perfect choice. Their enduring charm makes them a worthwhile addition that continues to enhance your home for years to come. Creating a connection to the outdoors. In Nampa, where outdoor living is an integral part of the lifestyle, bay windows help bridge the gap between indoor and outdoor spaces. Their expansive glass panes bring in natural elements like sunlight, greenery, and fresh air, creating a harmonious connection with the environment. This feature enhances the overall living experience and makes your home feel more in tune with nature. Conclusion. Bay windows are a versatile and elegant addition that can transform the interiors of any Nampa home. From maximizing natural light and showcasing scenic views to creating cozy nooks and boosting home value, their benefits are both practical and aesthetic. Whether you're renovating an existing space or designing a new home, bay windows offer a timeless solution that enhances every aspect of your interiors. Ready to elevate your Nampa home with bay windows? Reach out to a trusted local installer to explore your options and start reaping the rewards of this stunning architectural feature.